Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Madison, and Pickaway. Flood watch remains in effect from 1 p.m. this afternoon through Monday morning. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Gallatin, Grant, Kenton, Lewis, Mason, Owen, Pendleton, and Robertson, and the following counties in Ohio: Adams, Brown, Butler, Clark, Claremont, Clinton, Dark, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hamilton, Highland, Hocking, Madison, Miami, Montgomery, Pickaway, Pike, Preble, Ross, Scioto, and Warren. When? From 1 p.m. this afternoon through Monday morning. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: multiple rounds of thunderstorms will move across the watch area, leading to the potential for flash flooding. People in the watch area, especially those living in areas prone to flooding, should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Monitor the latest forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. This is NOAA weather.